Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder of FTX, was released on $250 million bail pending trial on fraud and other criminal charges, a federal judge in New York ruled Thursday. Surrounded by her parents, a team of lawyers, and court security, Bankman-Fried walked out of Manhattan Federal District Court at 2:19 a.m. local time. The terms of his personal endorsement were agreed upon by the prosecutor and Bankman-Fried lawyers. The 30-year-old is due to appear before Judge Ronnie Abrams in New York City on January 3, where he will enter a plea and stand trial. A defendant's written commitment to appear in court on the case basis versus the Bankman-Fried camp does not have to satisfy the full bail requirement. The bonds were secured by his family shares and the signatures of his parents and two other people with substantial assets. In addition to a $250 million package that prosecutors called the largest pretrial bail in history, the former cryptocurrency billionaire wore an electronic monitoring bracelet, was sent to mental health counseling, and served prison terms in the United States and abroad. It was sent from the country. The United States must be restrained. Northern California and Southern and Eastern New York. Judge Gabriel Gollenstein said Bankman-Fried will need serious supervision after being released to her parents' home in California. His parents were law professors at Stanford University and attended the trial. Two U.S. Marshals in blue suits and brown shoes were next to Bankman-Fried. Bankman-Fried also attended in shackles, but replaced them with an ankle monitor in court. When the judge asked if Bankman-Fried understood the consequences of violating his bail agreement, he spoke only. "Yes, I do," he told the judge. The former FTX CEO will also be barred from opening new lines of credit above $1,000, while federal regulators await trial for what they call brutal fraud at his bankrupt crypto empire. Bankman-Fried was at the center of a large-scale fraud, Assistant U.S. Attorney Nicholas Roos said in court. But he returned to the United States voluntarily, had no kidnapping record, and had significantly reduced his financial assets, Roos said. Bankman-Fried previously claimed it was down to just $100,000. Bankman-Fried used client money to buy real estate, invest in political contributions, back transactions at his hedge fund, Alameda Research, and to fraud investors of billions of dollars, has been accused of doing so. Federal regulators claim more than $8 billion in customer funds went missing. FTX filed for bankruptcy protection in Delaware on November 11. Two of his executives, Carolyn Ellison and Gary Wang, have pleaded guilty to related fraud charges and are cooperating with law enforcement. A settlement between King and Ellison was revealed Wednesday. Bankman-Fried was extradited from the Bahamas to New York on Wednesday night after being indicted by the U.S. Attorney for the Southern District on 8 counts, including securities fraud and money laundering. The Bankman-Fried bond has outperformed other federal white-collar bonds. Bernie Madoff has issued $10 million in bonds, while he awaits trial for his multi-billion-dollar Ponzi scheme. Former Enron CEO Jeff Skilling issued $5 million in bonds, while Theranos founder Elizabeth Holmes issued only $500,000. That's all from today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.